Do you use turmeric in your daily life? If not, you might want to start after watching this video. Hey everyone, it's What to Eat, and today, we're diving into the world of turmeric, also known as, and exploring its incredible health benefits and potential risks. Turmeric has been used for centuries in India, often called the Queen of Spices or Golden Spice. We're talking about the potential for improved brain function, a stronger immune system, better digestion, and even help with mood and blood sugar levels. But hold on, before you go dumping turmeric into everything, there are a few things you need to know. Stick around to learn about the potential risks and how to maximize the benefits of this golden wonder. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about the brain for a second. Who wouldn't want a sharper mind, better memory, and protection against cognitive decline? That's where curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, comes in. Studies suggest that curcumin can actually cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning it can directly impact our brain cells. One of the ways curcumin is thought to benefit the brain is by increasing BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of BDNF as fertilizer for your brain cells, helping them grow and thrive. Low levels of BDNF have been linked to brain disorders like Alzheimer's and depression. While the research on curcumin and brain health is promising, most strong evidence is based on animal and laboratory studies. Incorporating turmeric into your diet could be a delicious way to potentially support your brain health in the long run. Stay tuned because up next, we're diving into the immune-boosting power of turmeric. Let's face it, a strong immune system is like having a superpower, especially in today's world. And guess what? Turmeric might just be your trusty sidekick in the fight against those pesky germs. Curcumin, the superhero compound in turmeric, has some pretty impressive immune-modulating properties. It means curcumin can influence the activity of our immune cells, helping them function more effectively. Turmeric also possesses antimicrobial action, meaning it can help fight off harmful bacteria, viruses, and even some fungi. A healthy gut is crucial for a strong immune system, as a large portion of your immune cells reside in your gut. Turmeric can help promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut, further strengthening your body's defenses. Adding turmeric to your diet could be an extra layer of protection, like giving your body's defenses an extra boost. Stay tuned as we uncover even more incredible benefits of this golden spice in the chapters to come. Let's talk about digestion, something we all experience and something that can sometimes be a little, shall we say, uncomfortable. Well, good news! Turmeric might just be the natural remedy you've been searching for to soothe your stomach woes. One of the ways turmeric helps with digestion is through its antispasmodic effect. Basically, it can help calm down those muscle spasms in your gut that can cause cramps and discomfort. Turmeric can stimulate the production of bile, a digestive fluid produced by the liver that helps break down fats. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can be a delicious way to support your digestive health and enjoy all its other amazing benefits. Stay tuned as we explore even more ways turmeric can improve your well-being. Feeling a little down? Well, before you reach for that sugary snack or scroll endlessly through social media, let's talk about a natural way to potentially lift your spirits: turmeric. That's right, this golden spice might just hold the key to a brighter mood and a more positive outlook. Studies have shown that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can have a positive impact on mood by reducing inflammation in the brain. Curcumin has also been shown to boost levels of serotonin and dopamine, those feel-good chemicals in our brain that play a crucial role in regulating mood, sleep, and appetite. Adding turmeric to your smoothies, soups, or even just sprinkling it on your meals can make a big difference. A healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise, stress management techniques, and a balanced diet is essential for maintaining a positive mood. But adding turmeric to your routine could be a delicious and natural way to support your mental well-being. Let's talk about the liver, that unsung hero of an organ that works tirelessly to detoxify our blood, process nutrients, and keep our bodies running smoothly. Studies suggest that curcumin, the powerhouse compound in turmeric, could potentially help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins, medications, and even certain diseases. Curcumin may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver, potentially slowing the progression of NAFLD. While turmeric in its natural form is generally safe for consumption, taking high doses of turmeric supplements, especially for prolonged periods, can actually have the opposite effect and potentially harm the liver. Supplements often contain much higher concentrations of curcumin than you would consume through diet alone. Enjoying turmeric in your food is a fantastic way to potentially support your liver health. But as with any supplement, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before adding turmeric supplements to your routine, especially if you have any underlying liver conditions. In a world of sugary drinks and processed foods, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels can feel like an uphill battle. But what if I told you that a simple spice found in your pantry might be able to lend a helping hand? That's right, we're talking about turmeric and its potential to help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can improve insulin sensitivity. By improving insulin sensitivity, curcumin can help your body use insulin more effectively, potentially leading to better blood sugar control. Adding turmeric to your smoothies, soups, stews, or even just sprinkling it on roasted vegetables can make a big difference. A healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and managing stress is crucial for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. But adding turmeric to your routine could be a delicious and natural way to support your body's natural blood sugar control mechanisms. Ladies, let's talk about that time of the month, a time that often comes with a whole host of unwelcome symptoms like cramps, bloating, mood swings, and fatigue. While there's no magic cure for PMS, turmeric might just be the natural remedy you've been searching for to ease those monthly woes. Turmeric's powerful anti-inflammatory properties can work wonders in reducing the inflammation that contributes to those pesky cramps and bloating. Turmeric can also help regulate those hormone fluctuations that are often responsible for mood swings and irritability. And if fatigue is dragging you down, turmeric can help with that too. It's a natural energy booster that can help you power through your day, even when you're feeling drained. Adding turmeric to your smoothies, soups, or even just sprinkling it on your meals can make a big difference. If you're looking for a natural way to find some relief from PMS, turmeric might just be worth a try. Let's talk about joint pain, a common ailment that affects millions of people worldwide. Whether it's due to arthritis, overuse, or injury, joint pain can be debilitating and impact our quality of life. Numerous studies have shown that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can effectively reduce pain and inflammation in people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that targets multiple pathways involved in inflammation. Curcumin has been shown to be as effective as some over-the-counter pain relievers, without the potential side effects. Adding turmeric to your diet is a great place to start. You can sprinkle it on your food, add it to smoothies, or even make a soothing turmeric tea. While turmeric can be incredibly effective in managing joint pain, it's essential to consult with your doctor to discuss the best course of treatment for your specific condition. Let's talk about something a little more, shall we say, intimate. When it comes to matters of the bedroom, many people are looking for natural ways to enhance their libido and improve their performance. Animal studies have shown that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can increase testosterone levels. Curcumin has also been shown to improve blood flow, which is essential for, well, adding turmeric to your diet is a great place to start. You can sprinkle it on your food, add it to smoothies, or even make a romantic turmeric latte for you and your partner. Communication and intimacy are key to a healthy and fulfilling sex life, but adding a little turmeric to the mix might just add that extra spark you've been looking for. Let's talk about a topic that hits close to home for many of us: cancer. It's a complex disease with multiple risk factors, and while there's no guaranteed way to prevent it, researchers are constantly searching for natural compounds that might hold the key to fighting this devastating disease. Studies have shown that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even induce apoptosis, which is basically programmed cell death of cancer cells. Curcumin has been shown to inhibit angiogenesis, which is the formation of new blood vessels that tumors need to grow and spread. While these findings are incredibly promising, it's important to note that most of the research on curcumin and cancer has been conducted in test tubes and on animals. More research is needed to determine whether these benefits translate to humans. Incorporating turmeric into your diet is a safe and potentially beneficial way to support your overall health and potentially reduce your risk of developing certain types of cancer. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today. From brain health to blood sugar control, Turmeric truly is a nutritional powerhouse. To optimize the benefits of turmeric, it's important to remember that curcumin has low bioavailability. Consuming it with black pepper, which increases absorption by up to 2000%, and/or healthy fats, like olive oil or avocado, can help. There are so many delicious ways to incorporate turmeric into your daily life. Try making golden milk by combining turmeric, ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, pepper, and milk. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, activate the notification bell, share, and comment below. Stay healthy, everyone.